Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to enable chat bubble for WhatsApp chat. So right now I will show you exactly how to enable WhatsApp chat bubble without downloading any third-party app. So as you can see, currently WhatsApp doesn't provide us this feature to enable or open WhatsApp chat bubble. But in our Android phone settings, here's a hidden features which features provide us to enable WhatsApp as a chat bubble. To enable the option, go to your Android phone settings and tap on notifications, tap on advanced settings, and here tap on floating notifications, and here select smart pop-up view. Now tap on included apps and make sure to enable WhatsApp option from here. Once you successfully turn on, go back from here, and once you are in your settings home screen, tap on this search settings icon and type here WhatsApp and open WhatsApp app settings. Tap on notifications and make sure to allow notification for the WhatsApp app. Okay, now I'm going to sending a message from another WhatsApp account. And as you can see, I received a WhatsApp message and here we can see a chat bubble opened. Now I can tap on this chat bubble to open the entire conversation. Now from here I can easily reply to any WhatsApp message. And I'm sending another message to show you again, and that's it. This is how we can easily get WhatsApp chat bubble in Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.